Well, that was a lot of fun. I had someone come in and said, hey, I think I need a new ball, and I'm not getting any gas through my line. I said, well, I don't know whether it's your ball or the line. They haven't used that line in about 30 years. And so I grabbed the inside of the line and just pulled it all the way out of that one, and grabbed this other one right here and just pulled it out of that one. I said, that's probably where I'd start with you. And that's exactly what came out of his fuel line. So we've got two problems. We've got the really one major problem. It's the line that's not ethanol resistant, and so it eats the liner up. And then you've got the using ethanol, where that's what the inside of a lot of people's carburetors looks like. But that was really a lot of fun, just pulling it out, like just pulling the inside out of the hose, and showing him that he's going to probably end up doing a carburetor, that the fuel line's probably not going to help him.